Hi guys, today we're talking bridges and all the potential ones that we can still qualify for, namely LayerZero, Polyhedra ZK bridge, and doing as well some transactions on OpBNB along the way. As you know that LayerZero has been coming and it has been stated for so many times that we have a LayerZero token incoming. They have received massive funding, but today we don't need to do just target transactions. We have many other alternatives. So we'll talk about these today. First of all, shout out to Blicky. He has been a Discord member in our community for a while now and providing really quality value and information. He has created a really good Polyhedra thread, which we'll be covering today. So first things first, you need to actually send funds from BNB chain to OpBNB. I always recommend sending it via official bridge, which is opBNB bridge at bnbchain.org. Links in the description. So first things first, send the amount that you are comfortable sending. You simply deposit, and within 30 seconds or 1 minute, you have your funds ready to go. As you can see, gas fees are incredibly negligible. You can also use the alternative version, which is directly using ZK Bridge, but again, official bridges have been criteria for airdrops in the past. So yeah, very, very cheap transaction fees on the BNB chain as well, but OpBNB is even less expensive. Right, so alternatively, you can just go to the zkbridge.com, go to OpBNB tab, and transfer that way, if you prefer, because then you don't even pay any gas at all. So once your OpBNB chain is funded, you go back to zkbridge.com, navigate to Ecosystem Projects, and there you will find their flagship project called Star Legends. You enter Star Legends, go to their website, and there you will have the option to see these interesting looking NFTs where you can simply summon them, but you need tickets for that. You can claim your daily ticket from the website every day. But if you have already done so, just navigate down to the Element Marketplace where you can simply find your assets. So here you buy your tickets. Ideally, you can buy more at the same time, so you save time and transaction fees. Currently, their floor price of ticket is like 40 cents, so you can buy multiples, connect your wallet, and simply make a purchase. Once your purchase is confirmed, you'll be able to mint the NFTs on the original website. And once your tickets are ready to go, you simply go back to starlegends.game homepage and press summon once. This will prompt another blockchain transaction to get your NFT actually minted. So you just approve and confirm it. And this is how the activation process works. You basically go to their bridge functionality. If you get an Epic one, you will have different bridge options, of course. You need to send the transaction on blockchain, first approve the NFT mint NFT transaction, and then you simply sign another transaction to bridge it. Keep in mind, this is going to cost you about 50 cents to $2, depending to which chain you're sending. In our case, it's Mental, so from OpBNB to Mental. Let's see the price here now. Blockchain is a bit congested. Okay, it's not so bad. It's 0.002, so about maybe 60 cents or so. Pretty good deal if you ask me. So this way we have done both OpBNB transaction, potential Polyhedra, and of course LayerZero because Polyhedra works with LayerZero infrastructure. And last thing we can do with ZK Bridge is go to their NFT tab, go to Gallery, and choose this cute little dragon with Polyhedra's token logo, which has led to believe many speculators that this is going to be criteria for airdrop. Either way, we have many different blockchains to mint this to and bridge anywhere else we want. If you're a sadist, feel free to do it on Ethereum, pay $10 in gas, ain't no way. Let's go over to OpBNB. You can claim on the official website. And once you have your little dragon, you can send it over to any other chain of your choosing. Network is again congested, so we need to be patient here. And once your NFT is ready, this is all that is required, but if you want, you can do an extra step and actually bridge it. So you need to do the classic ZK bridge transactions, such as confirming the import of your NFT, choosing the receiver blockchain. Let's choose, well, we took Mantle before, let's take it again. And then you simply send it over. Approval transaction for the NFT and the transfer, again, two different separate transactions. And to wrap up the bridges for today, we have MODE, the famous layer 2 solution built on OP Stack. least $30 worth of ETH from mainnet to MODE, you can claim this simple task and participate in the $3,000 giveaway. A little more advanced would be if you want to mint the MODE Sentinel NFT. For this, you need to join their Discord and follow the official Twitter. Minting your MODE domain, exploring the LPing and swapping on DEXs on the new blockchain. As you all know, when a new thing launches, the early adopters are the ones who generally get the most airdrop. And since MODE is most likely going to airdrop, since they have a points program for their bridge campaign, we can expect that people who do early transactions on chain will also get extra benefits. And that wraps up everything for the topics of today. If you find the content valuable, consider liking and subscribing. I'll answer all the questions in the comments below. And if you want to keep everything nice and tidy, well organized in your airdrop adventures, Santiago has developed an amazing airdrop tracking app, developing for over a year now, and the best alpha is usually found in our Discord. Till next time, have an amazing day.